Hello, in this lecture series under Basic Electrical Engineering, we are going to learn about resistance. Resistance is nothing but resistance is a measure of the opposition to current flow in an electrical circuit. Normally, the resistance is measured in ohms. The symbolic is known as omega. Resistance refers to the amount that an object impedes or resists in an electrical current. Electric current refers to the flow of electrons. An easier way to explain resistance is to consider an example of a person in a crowded market struggling to go from one shop to another. This situation is certainly similar to an electron trying to make its way through a wire. All materials resist current flow to some degree. They fall into one of two broad categories, such as conductors, another one is insulators. Conductors are materials that offer very little resistance, not that word, very little resistance where electrons can move easily. For an example, silver, copper, gold, aluminium, these are the example for the conductors. Same as insulators are materials that present high resistance and restrict the flow of electrons. For an example, rubber, paper, glass, wood and plastics. So here we have some more 5 examples for conductors and insulators, such as silver, gold, copper, steel, seawater. These are the examples for conductors, and rubber, glasses, oil, diamond, dry wood. These examples are for insulators. Normally, the resistance formula can be classified under different parameters, but in basic, according to the Ohm's law, as we all know, according to the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So here I need the resistive value, the resistance. So I am taking out the R is equal to V upon I. So this is what we have mentioned here. R is equal to V upon I. So here is a question related to this resistance lecture, which can be easily solved by using the resistance formula. The question is, in an electric circuit, a current of 4 ampere flows through a resistor. So the current given as current I given as 4 ampere. The voltage drop which takes place from one end of the resistor to the other happens to be 120 voltage. So V is equal to 120 voltage. Find out the value of the resistance. So the value of the resistance can be derived from the equation as we previously learned. R is equal to V upon I. So you have to just substitute these values from this equation and you can find out the answer. So after find out the answer, drop your solved answer on the comment. Thank you.